Listen, there's a sound. Wow, that's a beautiful sound. Let's check out its name.
The world is amazing!
Let's keep learning.
Smart tablet, activate!
A tall back. A crest on its head. Strong forelimbs. Strong hind legs. Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus existed during the Cretaceous period. It is a large herbivorous dinosaur.
Parasaurolophus is really special. It can move on all its 4 legs as well as 2 hind legs. That's right! Parasaurolophus has a unique way of moving. It moves on its 4 legs when searching food, so it has to lower head for vegetation. When escaping, it can run faster by moving on its 2 hind legs. It's awesome! What else is unique about Parasaurolophus? Oh! And it has a unique head. It has an antenna. That's not an antenna. It's the crest of Parasaurolophus. A crest? What does it do? Do you know what Parasaurolophus uses its crest for? A. Attacking other dinosaurs. B. Emitting a special sound. C. Emitting light wave. That's right! You are right! Scientists think that its crest can emit a trumpet-like sound. Parasaurolophus interacts with each other through the crest. Parasaurolophus is particularly sensitive to the sound from its babies. If the babies get lost, baby Parasaurolophus can emit sound through the crest, so mommy Parasaurolophus can find it. You're right. Let's check it out. Ah! The mischievous baby Parasaurolophus get lost. Drag mommy Parasaurolophus to find its babies. That's the sound made by baby Parasaurolophus. You are great! Try to find the rest of them. Excellent! You found all the baby Parasaurolophus. Thank you! Quacky, what have you learned in this section? Oh, Parasaurolophus could move on 4 legs as well as 2 hind legs. And it emits sound through the crest on its head. Parasaurolophus interacts with each other through sound. You're right. Let's go on. Let's fix the dinosaur model.
Quack, 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 quack.
Kids, have you got it? Let's connect to see what we can draw. Parasaurolophus. Keep flipping the cards until you find a matching pair. Parasaurolophus. 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 Let's check out the body parts of Parasaurolophus. Lens. Body. Head. Parasaurolophus.